Break a leg? Betty, why? I need my legs to stand on the stage.
No, Frank.
I need to cut my hair. Look at this. So long.
Wait, you want to cut your hair? With scissors? At home?
Some things you say in English sound right, but they're wrong.
And some English expressions sound completely crazy, but everyone uses them.
Today, we'll fix both.
Our friends make some common mistakes, and they try to learn some crazy English expressions.
You'll laugh, you'll learn, and you'll sound more natural in English.
Let's get started.
Frank, are you ready? It's almost time.
Almost, Betty. I'm so nervous. Tell me, how many persons will be there tonight?
How many people, Frank? We say people, not persons.
But each one is a person. One person, two persons, many persons.
I know, Frank, it makes sense. But the normal word is people. One person, but many people.
So I can't say persons?
Almost never. Just say people.
Try it. How many people will be there?
Perfect. About 50 people.
50? Oh, my heart is going so fast. I hope I remember the words.
You'll be great, Frank. Don't worry. Break a leg.
Break a leg? Betty, why? I need my legs to stand on the stage.
No, Frank.
You want me to fall? To break my leg before I sing? What kind of wife are you, Betty?
Frank, stop. Break a leg means good luck. We say it before a show.
Good luck? But you say break a leg. That is bad. Very, very bad.
I know it sounds strange, but actors say it. It means, I hope you do great.
So break a leg is good?
Yes, very good.
Okay, so I say to you, break your arm?
No, Frank. Only break a leg. Not arm, not anything else.
But why only the leg? The arm is also...
Just break a leg. Don't change it.
Okay. Break a leg. It means good luck.
Yes. Now go. Break a leg, Frank.
Thank you, Betty. And break a leg to you, too.
I'm not singing, Frank.
Oh, right. Then, good luck with dinner later.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
There is one person at the door. There is one person at the door.
Wow, so many people are here today. Wow, so many people are here today.
Only a few people came to the party. Only a few people came to the party.
You have a big test tomorrow. Break a leg. You have a big test tomorrow. Break a leg.
It's your first day at work. Break a leg. It's your first day at work. Break a leg.
Hey, Tom, how are you?
Hey, Lisa. I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. Where are you going?
I need to cut my hair. Look at this. So long.
Wait, you want to cut your hair? With scissors? At home?
What? No. At a barber shop.
Okay, but when you say, I want to cut my hair,
It sounds like you will do it. By yourself. Alone. With scissors.
But it's my hair. What should I say?
Say, I want to get a haircut. The barber does it, but you get a haircut. Try it.
I want to get a haircut.
Okay.
I want to get a haircut.
Perfect.
Okay. Do you know a good place?
Yes! There is a new barbershop on Park Street. It just opened. Very nice photos on Instagram.
Oh, that place? My friend Mike went there last week.
Really? How was it?
Well, the barbershop is beautiful. Very fancy, very modern. But Tom, that place costs an arm and a leg.
What?
It costs an arm and a leg.
Lisa, I want a haircut. Why do they want my arm?
Tom, no.
And my leg?
Stop! Costs an arm and a leg means it's very expensive. It's about money, not your body.
Only money?
Only money. But a lot of money. Mike paid $80 for a haircut.
$80 for hair?
I told you, an arm and a leg.
It costs a hand and a foot?
No, Tom. Always an arm and a leg. Don't change the words.
Why not? A hand is small. Maybe a hand is $40?
No, just an arm and a leg.
Okay. An arm and a leg. Very expensive.
Good. But don't go there. There is a nice barbershop on Oak Street. It's good and it's cheap.
Really? It doesn't cost an arm and a leg?
No, maybe just a finger. I'm joking, Tom.
English is dangerous, Lisa. Very dangerous.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
I want to get a haircut tomorrow. I want to get a haircut tomorrow.
My hair is too long. I need a haircut. My hair is too long. I need a haircut.
She gets a haircut every month. She gets a haircut every month.
That new car costs an arm and a leg. That new car costs an arm and a leg. Wow, this restaurant costs an arm and a leg. Wow, this restaurant costs an arm and a leg.
Betty, come on. We are late. Why you are so slow?
Why are you so slow, Frank? Not why you are.
But you understand me. Why you are slow, it's clear.
I understand, yes. But the words go like this. Why are you? The R comes first in a question.
First, second, my brain is too old for this, Betty.
Your brain is fine. Just say, why are you so slow?
Why are you so slow?
Perfect. And I'm slow because I can't find my glasses.
Oh, Betty, the bus comes in 5 minutes. Hurry, hurry.
Hold your horses, Frank.
Horses? Betty, we don't have horses. We have no animals. Only a cat.
No, Frank. Hold your horses means wait a minute, slow down, or don't rush into things. Be patient.
But why horses? We are old, we don't ride horses. I had a bicycle. Maybe say, hold your bicycle.
No, Frank, it's just an expression. Now we say it to mean slow down and don't make a fast decision.
So no horses are coming?
No horses. Just be patient. Hold your horses.
Okay, no horses. Let's go. Quick, let's take a taxi. Right now.
Hold your horses, Frank.
A taxi is expensive. The bus comes in 5 minutes. Don't rush into things.
Don't rush into things. So, hold my horses. No fast decision. I like this one.
See? Now you use it perfectly.
So I can also say, hold your donkeys, yes?
No, Frank. Always horses, never donkeys.
But a donkey is slower. Better for waiting.
Frank. Just hold your horses. Don't change the animal.
Okay, hold your horses. Now let's catch the bus, slowly.
Ready for a short shadowing practice?
Let's say them together. Here we go.
Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today?
Why are you laughing so much? Why are you laughing so much? Hold your horses. The store is not open yet. Hold your horses. The store is not open yet.
Don't decide now. Hold your horses. Don't decide now. Hold your horses.
Hold your horses. Let's think about it first. Hold your horses. Let's think about it first.
Now let's review everything we learned today.
Let's say them all together one more time. Here we go.
I want to get a haircut tomorrow. I want to get a haircut tomorrow.
My hair is too long. I need a haircut. My hair is too long. I need a haircut.
She gets a haircut every month. She gets a haircut every month.
That new car costs an arm and a leg. That new car costs an arm and a leg.
These shoes cost an arm and a leg. These shoes cost an arm and a leg. There is one person at the door. There is one person at the door. Only a few people came to the party. Only a few people came to the party. It's your first day at work, break a leg. It's your first day at work, break a leg. Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? Where are you going so fast? Where are you going so fast? Hold your horses. The store is not open yet. Hold your horses. The store is not open yet.
Don't decide now. Hold your horses. Don't decide now. Hold your horses.
Hold your horses. Let's think about it first. Hold your horses. Let's think about it first. Great job today, everyone.
Now it's your turn.
Write a sentence in the comments using break a leg or hold your horses. We want to read them.
And tell us which mistake was the funniest. Tom's arm or Frank's horses?
See you in the next video. Bye!